Hey everybody, it's the Prepared Lockhart project, and as you can see, the storm has started. Hopefully you can see that it is snowing. And just to show you why it's nice to be a prepper is if you can see my shed, between the shed and the tree, that is the beginning of our wood pile, and it is probably the whole length of that shed, or just about. We also have wood right there. That camo tarp right next to the house is the usual stack of wood that we pull from, which we certainly can use, but, oh, and yes, I have our gas grill at one screen door. I have the grill that's gutted and we use with wood here. But if we come this way, excuse the non-video, I also have a decent stack of wood here, which should last us a while, but it's staying nice and dry and it's a little easier to get to. And then I have some wood at our wood stove. So we are pretty ready. And that really didn't take a whole lot of effort. I just went out to our big wood pile and wheelbarrowed, I don't know, 2-3 wheelbarrows worth. And we were good to go. But I'm sure you've heard, if you're not in the Maryland, D.C., Virginia, wherever this storm is going to hit area, that there were lines and there are whole aisles where the water and bread and all that are totally bare. Nothing left. Did we have to act like nut jobs and hurry to grab stuff? No. Because we already have stockpiles of water. We already have extra food in storage, which I have shown in recent videos. We have freeze-dried, we have, okay, 1 can of Spam, but we have the ramen noodles. We've got all sorts of stuff, you know, everyday stuff in our regular pantry. So, you know, we're supposed to get, I don't know, 18 to 30 inches of snow. They're saying there might be power outages, and I will admit that is the one thing that we are not prepared for yet. Every storm prompts me to want to get a generator. I still don't have one. But I said, the hell with it. I may not have it for this storm, but I'm finally pulling the trigger. And I ordered one to be delivered, because it was free delivery. It's a 10,000 watt. It's actually dual fuel, so I don't have to do the carburetor conversion hack to be able to do gasoline and propane. It already comes to be able to do that. So at least our next storm, we should be good. Eventually, I want to, you know, set up a transfer switch and a plug outside to hook it up to, and the whole 9 yards. But for now, we may be without electricity, but we've got plenty of flashlights, plenty of batteries. You know, we're prepared in every other way. We're charging everything right now. We have battery, you know, little battery packs that we're charging, so we should be good. But we'll be able to entertain ourselves and be warm, so that's the main thing, and eat and drink. So I hope you are all prepared and didn't have to hurry up and go out and rush, and hopefully you'll all be safe. Talk to you eventually, if we have electricity. Talk to you later. Bye.